Hi guys. Hello. So basically, I'm just calling you, right? Basically, I'm just coming right now towards you to understand the impact of drawing, right? Charts on Excel. I'm going to share my screen. You can see my screen, right? I've shared Excel with you. So these are the charts that are basically available that you can do. This is what we call a bar chart. Horizontal bar chart is what we call this, a horizontal bar chart. So this is basically total production in thousands, and this is basically sales volume. And this is a double bar chart. So you can see two charts representing one. So this is 2016. You can see red 2016 here. 2016 is this one, and 2017 is this one. Okay. So this is basically sales volume that I have created hypothetically, like basically from scratch. I have just created just to show you the graphs that you can create on Excel. Well, for now, I've created three graphs. In the meanwhile, if you go forward, I will be creating more graphs as and when required. And this is one more chart you can create on pie chart. This is basically this one. So this is basically this chart. Uh, whole sum of whole sum is equal to 360 degrees, right? This pie chart is 360 degrees. So 90, 20, 120, 140. So that's how you can do it. And this is whole equal to 90, 120, 160 to 40 to 90. 90 is equal to 1 to 360 degrees. Okay. So that's how you can create it. And this is basically, I told you, total production in thousands for a company, X company. So this is how you can create three kinds of graphs. This is pie chart, this is horizontal bar chart, this is combined bar chart. This is this one, this is this one, this is this one. This chart, basically from here. So that's what I can say from now. That these charts can be created on Excel. For now, I will talk about or describe or explain about other charts in the coming sessions. We have other charts like 3D column, cone, pyramid chart, line chart, 2D line chart, 3D line chart, pie, bar, area chart, and scatter chart. So thank you guys for now.